You have seen those viral AI generated reels of miniature workers, right? They are racking millions of views in Instagram and YouTube. Today I will show you exactly how to create them using free AI tools step by step. But here is a catch. Skipping any part, you may not get the best result. So stick around till the end, and now let's dive right in. Second step, creating the imageries, and third step, animating those images. So let us start with the first step, creating the prompt. Now, as usual for the prompting method, it is very important. Believe me, these videos generate a lot of millions of views based on the prompt engineering only. So I will try to make the prompt engineering as simple as possible, but please watch the complete video. So I will take the second prompt here. Copy this complete prompt. Now for this I am using DeepSeek AI, which is again a free and gives excellent output. So I will paste the prompt. What does this prompt say? I want you to generate 10 unique and imaginative video content ideas centered around beauty, fantasy world and miniature ecosystems. This is the framework on which it should be creating the prompts. Okay, and send it. So you will see under each prompt you get two parts. One is image prompt, one is video prompt. So let's wait for a while. So I have got my 10 prompts ready. Even the theme is also mentioned against every prompt. Okay, it is on spa. This one is hair salon. So I'll take the first scene, copy it. Now I am going to show you how to create the images. In this step, I am going to give you 4 options. If you are serious about creating viral AI reels and want a complete one-shot solution, then don't miss my viral AI reel mastery course. You will learn the exact step-by-step process to generate high-performing AI reels, plus access to proven model prompts that can skyrocket your views on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Limited time pre-launch offer we are providing now. For a short time, you can grab this course at a fraction of the cost, less than a dinner out. But once this offer is gone, it's gone for good. Don't wait. Click the link in the description right now. Here you will have to simply paste the prompt. Okay, and from here you will have to select the aspect ratio. Ideally it is 9:16. If you want to create a long form video, 16:9 can be selected. So for the time being I am keeping 9:16, and that's it. Send message. And in a while premium quality image, HD quality image will be generated. So just wait for a while. Okay, so as you can see here, cricket players are polishing the ball. Okay, so I am going to download this. Okay, I use Glyph very often. Okay, this is also a free software. You get 30 free credits, as you can see. Now once you go to Glyph's main studio, here you get different applications and different LoRa's inbuilt. So here you go to explore section, and here we need image generators. Only image generator. There are many other things as well. After image generator you type here Flux 1.1 and enter. Okay, so you got this one. So go to this option. Let me just paste that prompt here, and here you will have to select the aspect ratio. For me 9:16, and that's it. Run the clip. Let's wait for a while. See, but the image is not looking that great. So what instead I can do is I can change the image a little bit. Okay, keeping these things in changed. I want 11 cricket players, and then send it. See, this is a lot better, isn't it? So I have made a little change. So I have got this image. I really like this image. If you want further changes, you can do that, but for the time being I will go ahead and download from top left hand side corner, download button. So my second image is also ready, and all these images, video prompts are also ready. So next, in the next part, I'm going to show you how to convert them into the video. Second software, but which is before that, I still have two more softwares to see. To use this software as well. So go to image creation option. I think most of my subscribers do already use Leonardo AI to some extent. Okay, now all I need to do is I need to copy paste. Now this time let me copy paste some beauty brand related thing, but I have one prompt which I have crafted for creating an ad copy for a beauty brand. Let's suppose VAGPE Media launches a luxury creamy matte lipstick brand. So these type of prompt would do well, and here I will just change it to my company name. Only the company name part has to be changed. These type of prompts are really good for advertising cosmetic brands, nail polish, cream, moisturizer, whatever, and giving your brand name prominently on the product. With that thing selected, here you get Phonics 1.0. For Leonardo AI, more than Flax, Phonics 1.0 would work better. Here, prompt enhancement would be auto, style would be dynamic, and contrast would be always high. Okay. Now, I am selecting generation mode as ultra, but if you are using free account, you will not have the access to quality or ultra. You'll have to stick to fast. But I'm telling you, fast mode also gives equally great result. So keep fast mode selected if you are using free. If you are pro, then ultra, and then TikTok ratio 9:16 should be selected. Okay, and then cross it. Here again, number of images can be maximum 4 if you are using free account, but I am going for 2 because I am using pro account. So with let's go. Next, my remaining other favorite will be all-time favorite. I'll just Leonardo generate and wait for the software. I recommend you also. Now these sort of reels are getting so high engagement that even big brands are also switching to these mode of advertising. I have seen many brands have already started advertising, and these are really eye appealing. Okay, look at this. My VAGPE Media's luxury lipstick is right here with prominently written VAGPE Media, and the miniature workers are working. Here again, this lipstick, it's prominently showing VAGPE Media and creating the image. Okay, so you don't need to upscale it at all. You simply go ahead and download from top right hand side corner, download button. So I have shown you the third software, and now let us head over to the last software. Okay, you get 10 credits per day for free. You can see my same prompt I gave here also, and I've got this beautiful amazing image. Now here I will be giving another prompt. Let's suppose I'm giving a different kind of prompt. Okay, here I will be simply pasting the prompt, that's all. Here you don't have to really go for enhancement. You just need to select flux model. In Piclumen, flux model works really well. Here you will have to select 9:16 ratio. So you can maximum create 2 images for in free account. I'm going for 1 and hit generate. Voila! My amazing image is generated, is ready, and see how many workers are busy in working on a huge coffee factory, and then I will simply go ahead and download it. That's all. So I have shared 4 different image creation software. Please do let me know in the comment section which software you are professionally using for your daily job. Now let us move forward to the last part of this tutorial, which is the third part, putting life to these images, which is the most important and fun part of it. For this, again, as usual, I'm going to give 3 options. One is Helio AI, one is Kling AI, one is Runway ML. So let's start with Helio AI because I'm going to use a free account, and that's going to take extremely long time. So I will simply head over to Helio AI, and here go to create option. Okay, and here you will simply have to select this image to video option and click here and upload the image. Let's suppose I am uploading this image. Okay, this image, and I am going to paste these images prompt, video prompt, this prompt, and paste it here. Okay, remaining other things will be same. Here we have some instant camera movement. As you can see, this is upward tilt camera movement, right cleaning. So I am not going to use any of these styles at this moment. In the first generation, I'll just keep and here I would be using 0 1 director mode and hit generate. For each generation, it will take a very long time, and unfortunately, by time this is getting generated, let me head over to the next software. Next software is Runway ML, my all-time favorite. It gives a decent number of credits for free. So first go to Runway ML's dashboard, and here you'll have to give generative session. So you go for this generative session option. Here simply go to select asset option, upload the image. Let's suppose I'm uploading this image. Okay, now you can give 3 images as well. Up till 3 images are allowed. So if you want, you can add another image as well if you feel like, but I am not going to do that. I'm going to stick to 1 image only, and here I would be going back and taking the video prompt as well. Paste this prompt here. Okay, after that, here you can keep 10 seconds or 5 seconds as per your wish. I am keeping 5 seconds only for the time being, and hit generate. Okay, now this is the problem with Runway ML. They do not, if I'm giving some camera movements here, then in that case they do not make the subject move much, which I do not like. Okay, anyway, we have created, so I'm going to download from bottom right hand side corner, download button. Now I'm going to show you the best option for creating this software, this sort of videos is Kling AI. But I would request you to go for Kling's paid version if you can. Now after you get into Kling AI, go to AI videos option and go to frames. Now click on the images which you have generated. Let's suppose I want to create the video for this. Now here you will have to give the prompt, simple as that. So I have the prompts ready, so video prompts ready, so let me get that and give this prompt again. Okay, and here you have professional mode and standard mode. If you're using free, go for standard. I'm going for professional because it is a paid plan for me. And then again I'll stick to 5 seconds long. You can go up till 10 seconds long video and then hit generate. If you're creating 10 seconds long video, I feel rather than creating 10 seconds long video for this, close transition work really well. So try to create small clips and on different similar niche but on different images, so that way engagement increases and view increases. So just wait for a few minutes, and after all this you will have to just add all these video clips one by one. For sake of saving time, I have already generated this video. As you can see, these are miniature workers working in a construction site, and see how nicely this video turned out to be. And since it will take 4 minutes time, I'm not just waiting. Here I will just show you after the video is generated. Go ahead and download from this download button with watermark if free, without watermark if you have paid plan. And after all this, you will have to just add all these videos in any video editing software, and then finally you'll have to create a 15 to 20 second long reel. And after all this, these are the final results. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family, so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.